It's another happy day in Happy Island of Catanduanes. Good day mga padaba. Dito tayo ngayon sa Sofica Travelers Inn dito sa Viga, Catanduanes. At ipapakita ko sa inyo, mag-room check tayo and I'm going to tour you around. Kaka-check-in ko lang dito sa Sofica Travelers Inn dito sa San Pedro, Viga, Catanduanes. So tingnan natin kung gaano kaganda yung loob. So this is an air-conditioned room. Wow, ang ganda ng bed. This is what I like. Oh, ayun, ang ganda. This is a good for two na room. Ayan. Ayan po, ang room dito sa Sofica Travelers Inn sa San Pedro, dito sa Viga, Catanduanes. Meron kang sarili mong lababo. Ayan. At maganda rin naman ang kanilang washroom, ang kanilang CR. Nice. Ang ganda. I guess this will only cost you like 1,200 pesos for the next 12 hours. Ayan. So, papakita ko pa sa inyo ang marami pang details about itong Sofica Travelers Inn dito sa San Pedro, Viga, Catanduanes. Meron silang television, may wifi. Meron ka dito, ayan, ano yan? Okay, mga extra sheets. And of course, meron silang amenity kit. Check natin kung anong amenity kit nila. Okay, we're checking the amenity kit. What's this? This is nice. It's a guest room. It's toiletries. Ito ay toothbrush and toothpaste daw to nasa loob nito. And this one, toothbrush and toothpaste din, since this room is good for two. At meron din silang shampoo. Meron soap. Ayan. Yan ang laman ng amenity kit. Good job. Ang ganda dito. This is a DOT accredited establishment or accommodation establishment here in the municipality of Viga. Ayun guys, abangan nyo lagi for more tips on best places to stay, best places to go, and best places to dine and events to attend here in Happy Island of Catanduanes. Just follow me, Happy Islander TV, your travel companion in Bicolandia and beyond.